And okay guys, how to use volume button to trigger the record on Blackmagic camera application, okay? So that's it. If you press the volume button, you can trigger the record, okay? Press again to stop. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to Blackmagic camera application. Here in your Blackmagic camera application, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen, tap settings. In settings, in camera section, okay, you can see here the use volume button to trigger the record, okay? To use the volume to trigger the record is, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this use volume button to trigger the record, to use it. And okay, we can try it, okay? You can press the button, you can trigger the record, okay? You can press again to stop. And that's it, okay? We have successfully used volume button to trigger record on Blackmagic camera application. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video, okay? Thanks for watching.